You're around. I know that I'm in this game. Breathe. I know that I'm in this game. You're around. I know that
Good morning! Day 5 here in Hong Kong and today is our Legoland Day. And pupunta rin kami ng Hong Kong Space Museum kasi si Kuya Mav ay mahilig na mag-watch ng mga planets, galaxies, yan. So, feeling namin matutuwa talaga si Kuya Mav doon. So, kain lang kami saglit sa baba and then mag-u-Uber na kami papunta ng Legoland. Let's go! Legoland. Ready na si Kuya. Are you excited?
Yes, Legoland.
Ako.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in.
We're now here in Legoland. Legoland Hong Kong. Hey, we're now here in Legoland.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Dami pa ng food dito, oh. Ito yung mga food directory nila. From 7th floor, oh. Here's the Legoland. Wow! Legoland! Kuya! Wow! Tara, rides na tayo. Ano picture? Ay, tara kuya. Let's take a photo. Picture. Let's go.
Smile, show me your teeth.
Big sign guys. Cheat. You. Good job.
Good job. Okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Good job. Wow, kuya. Oh. Lahat yan Legos, kuya. See? Yes, lahat yan Legos.
What's Lego?
Momento kami.
Kuya, pwede mo press to. That one. Whoa. Press pa, press. Galing na. Here pa, here. Meron pa dito.
Sun.
Yeah, that one. Press that one. And then, go inside, kuya there. Go inside. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
Jesus, tuntua yung isa, oh. Kaya pala dark, kuya. May fireworks.
Kapalit sila.
Go, go inside, kuya. Go. Ayun! Hello, kuya! Hi! Hello! Hi! Hello, kuya!
Girl, take the hate and eat that shit for breakfast. And yeah, I like my eggs with a side of mac shit. And yeah, talk, give me the coffee. Talk, fuel up my body. Yes, I got an appetite for shit that fill me up inside. I eat it all up. And then I get stronger. Eat it all up. And then I get stronger. Little girl with holy stockings.
Nasaan ako?
Ito yung blue. Tsaka red.
Wow! Go, Kuya, go!
Ito yung yellow. Yellow! Uy, winner si Kuya!
Galing nga!
Winner si Kuya, ma!
Ay, ito, Daddy! Ito lalagay yung stamp. Kuya,
Yung stamp ko.
dito yung stamp, oh. This one, Kuya. Stamp mo dito. Ligay.
Push.
Push. Okay.
Yay!
Let's complete all the stamps. Oh, there!
中一个富龙中，利用了差距点中非美武器给出场。
Ito. Lagay mo muna, Kuya, dito. And push. Yay!
Another party, another Friday night, another talk that might turn into a fight. Too many faces you only see online. Too many cases of faking by design. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 20. I wanna feel the old.
Let's go, Kuya, let's go! Promise a movie house with 40 glasses. Oh, go, Kuya! Oh, get me yung corn! Kuya, get me yung corn! Ah! Kuha corn, Kuya! Oh no, Kuya!
Let's go in. Okay.
Tapos Kuya, oh. Kuya, oh. Kuya!
Kuya! Where are you? Ayun!
Kamil.
Kuya, hello! Kuya, ma'am!
Ang tuwa si Kuya Map, may playground, and then pwede kang mag-build ng sarili mong car Lego. Katuwa. And then meron dito movie house. Movie house. Tapos meron din cafe dito. Ayun. Coffee shop pag nagutom. Tapos meron din sila mga rides. Yan, rides. Yan yung Merlin's Apprentice. And then ito is workshop. Yan. So, pwede silang mag-build. Tuturuan ka mag-build ng mga Legos, characters. Tapos meron din doon isa pang ride doon. Nasakyan na namin kanina. And this one, pwede kang mag-build ng mga Legos. Hi, Matt! Matt, nakikurious. Mga nakikita niya. Next time, makakapag-play ka na rin dyan. Ano?
Tapos, tubuloy natin bigati kung matibay.
At gagawa ka ng tower. Gagawa ka ng tower and then i-check mo if matibay yung gawa mo.
Dati, nagkakaw tayo ng kalplum-plumi, no?
Okay.
Wow! Malakas, pinakamalakas. Yan, nagawa si Kuya ng tower niya. Oh, ikot mo yan, Kuya. Ikot mo. Ikot, start. Wow! Lakas mo, lakas. Wow, tibay ng tower ni Kuya. Di nalalaglag. Bata, nakikilaro din Smith. A car. Here. Ay, hanap ako iba wheels. Here, Kuya, 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, mali pa yung isa. Yay! And then, ito na yung 4. Lagay ka na ito. Ay! Good! Make it here. Lagay mo dito. Yun!
What's next?
Tapos, ikaw na, design mo na. Ano gusto mo lagay? Like this. Design mo na yung car mo. Test mo, Kuya. Yo! Yo! Ayaw! Ayaw! Kimi! One more, Kuya. Come here. This one, Kuya. Kuya, this one. Try mo. Whee! Ay, put it there. Put it there. Here. Oh, let's wait, Kuya. Let's wait. You know now?
What was your name?
Go, Kuya. Get your car. Kain muna tayo. Order tayo. Ito na yung aming food. We have pizza. Then chicken fingers. Pancake. And Starbucks ni Daddy. Kasi kailangan mag-coffee ni Daddy.
I want that one.
Wait na, Kuya.
Eating snack. Mat. Eat.
Ano tayo? Pizza, coffee. Dami. Chicken, pancake.
Muffin ni Kuya.
Muffin. Hat pa, Kuya. Hat.
Yung muffin ni Kuya. Ito yung kasama ng lalagyan ng Lego. Saka isang juice.
That's mine.
Ito.
Ito, kasama yung pancake. Tapos may isa pa dito. Pancake naman kasama nito. Tapos, yung pizza ang kasama yung chicken tenders. Yes. You want this one?
Walang talaga mag-legos ni Kuya. Ano gawa mo, Kuya Mav?
Giraffe.
Saan ang giraffe? Tingin na. Oh, giraffe na. Galing talaga ni Mav.
More doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my lungs. Oh, you make me feel so strong. 'Cause you're always on my mind. Oh, please say you'll be mine. 'Cause when you look into my eyes, oh, everything's alright. You got that certain kind of love. You got that good kind of love.
Nag-avail kami ng picture and then kukuha kami ng frame kasi ang cute ng frame. Tapos dito daw sa cafe makukuha yung frame. This one. 99 HK edition. Get tayo. Minsan lang naman tayo nandito. Yan. Kasi tuwan-tuwa si Kuya Mav dito. So, avail tayo.
You got that certain kind of love. You got that good kind of love, yeah. The kind that makes you crazy, makes me wanna call you baby.
Punta na kami sa Hong Kong Space Museum! Dahil excited na si Kuya! Dito tayo sa Hong Kong Space Museum! Ito yung price niya. $20 for 2 adults. Wala pang bayad si Matmat and Papmap. Yoo! Ayan na, Kuya! What's that, Kuya? Sun! Is that the sun? Wow! Oh, what's that? Earth! Galing na! Light. Ah, yun yung light. So, this one is the sun. Ito yung core niya. Oh, galing no. The hot plasma releases energy into plasma. What's that? Okay, Kuya. What are the planets, Kuya?
Sun.
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
No, Pluto.
This is the meteorite.
This love is true, no doubt about it.
Ano ito
In love with you, I wanna shout it from my love. Oh, you make me feel so strong. 'Cause you're always on my mind. Oh, please say you'll be mine. 'Cause when you look into my eyes.
Wow. Ah, these are the moons, Kuya. Mga moon. Ito yung mga moon, Kuya.
Mga iba't ibang
Earth. Ang moon lang sa Earth is this one, Kuya. Yes. Ang moon sa, ano yan, Jupiter, ito, Io. And Europa. Oh, sa Mercury,
Ito yung lahat.
sa Mars, yun lang yung moon ng Mars. Yan. Sa Jupiter. Sa Earth. Pindot mo yung Earth. Yan. Moon. Yan lang yung moon ng Earth. Bakit daw blue ang sky, Kuya? Kasi,
Sa sky.
let's see. When the button is illuminated, press it to let the light shine through the tube. Oh, sige. Hold Daddy explain.
Oh, everything's alright. You got that sense of humor. You got that
Orpulo. Ayun!
that kind that makes you crazy. Makes me wanna call you baby.
Kuya, Milky Way, oh. Milky Way. Tayo, kuya, oh. Oh, yan yung Milky Way. Ito lang tayo, kuya, oh. Yan lang tayo.
You want?
Oh. Grabe, no? Sabihin, may mga kapitbahay pa tayo.
You're around. I don't die in escape, breathe.
Hi! Wave kay Mami! Ay! Pupunta ng Mars si Kuya!
Ayun eh, rocket ship. Yun.
Check niya. Pupunta doon. Doon sila galing. Pupunta doon. Ayun.
Ayun, mag-lunch na.
Ano? First up the launch.
Pupunta.
Ayun na, kuya. Basta! Para mag-iligay niyo po yan. Ayun o. Mag-iligay niya. Kita lang kung gaano ka-effect.
Falling to pieces in my room.
Helmet nila, helmet.
That's cool.
Ay, laki ng gloves nila,
Use a
kuya.
little something.
Wow. Kuya, ito yung footprint nila. The second photo left this footprint during the opening of Hong Kong spaces. Yay! And go!
戰即將發射。Rocket is about to deploy. 10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、
You're around. I don't die in escape, breathe.
Yan yung food nila. Ito, ito yung laman. Yan. Ito pa. Meron pa dito. Eh, may M&M sila, kuya. Ay, di kita nita. Kuya mo. Ayun, may M&M sila. Okay, nakapag-picture na kami dito. Hello! Okay, punta na kami ng Avenue of Stars. So, ano lang to? Malapit lang to sa Hong Kong Space of Museum.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows.
Bili tayo hotdog. Gusto kasi ni Kuya. Nagutom.
Uy, hotdogs.
Hotdog.
Merienda tayo.
Kuya, ma'am.
那潮汕回忆啊，对，就是那个吧，夹的好不了。你那个是
Yummy?
Mami.
Papunta kami ng Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee Station. Ay, statue.
Statue ni Bruce Lee. Grabe, sarap tong weather na.
Sarap. 14 degrees.
14 degrees. Lamig.
Buti na lang may mga dalang may jacket, kumot. Yan. Map, nakabatman, nakasumot. Nakadoble damit, jacket.
Sarap ng lamig
Buti na lang
yan.
talaga nagdala ko ng jacket. Oh, pero masarap yung lamig niya.
Sarap.
Dahil as usual ng mom. Lagi. Always. Pag nag-travel.
Ano ba yan? Yummy ang takoyaki? Oh, sleepy na. Sige, sleep ka muna. Bili lang ng coffee si mami, ha?
They always buy
Bruce Lee sa likod.
flowers, always show up on time.
Sakura.
They always make calls, always on that
Paper bag nila
FaceTime.
ganun. Ito yung sikat na ice cream. Wala, yung bata. Yung bata, excited. Kahit malamig, let's try. Come here. Let's try the ice cream.
Mabilis-bilis na agad.
Apo, pwede.
They always buy flowers, always show up on time. They always make calls, always on that FaceTime.
Kahit malamig, try natin yung ice cream na viral. So, this one is $13.
When they're holding me late at night, it feels good but not right. I want love, but not that bad. I want company, but not that bad. And just know something, I ain't settling. So I'll just wait for the one that's meant for me. 'Cause I know my worth and I know I'm worth it. So until then, just wait. I'll just wait. I know when he comes, he'll be the one. I'm proud to say that's my baby.
Parang Korea ulit, Kuya Ma'am. Nalala mo nag-Korea tayo, eh, no? Yung favorite mo sa Korea?
Hello! Dito ako sa PHP kasi na-miss namin ang Korea. And nakakatuwa ang daming Pinoy dito. Shoutout kay ate and kuya na mababait.
Wow, what's up, Kuya?
Donut.
Peekaboo! Oh, may peekaboo! Oh, may peekaboo! Pika, peek, peek, peek. Peek, peekaboo! Oh, peek.
Okay. Mga kaisimat ba't ang beach?
Na-miss namin yung Korea, kaya dito kami.
Uy, nga ba ng Diyos ni Kuya? Wow.
Okay, so ito yung nabili namin sa Longfong Mall, mga pasabay. So, this one, Marc Jacobs. Lagay ko na lang yung price somewhere para may idea kayo kung how much sa Longfong Mall. So, ito yung itsura niya. Cutie. Yan. So, this one, ano daw nila to? Bestseller nila for men. This one naman is kay Daddy. So, bestseller din daw nila to. And naamoy namin ito, mabango din. And then, this one is yung sa girl version nun. So, bestseller din daw nila. Mabango din ito. Naamoy din namin ito. Mabango. This one is mine. Bumili rin ako ng pabango ko. So, this one is the Coach New York Floral. So, yan. Ako, maraming Coach dun pero according dun sa nag-assist sa amin, mas mabango daw ito. So, ito yung kinuha ko. And then, another one is this one, yung Encanto Charms. So, bumili din ako nito. Ayan. And then, this one is for Daddy Mark din. Ayan. So, mabango din to. Bestseller din nila. Tapos, the rest is mga pampasalubong. So, ito yan. Pork jerky. And then, bumili lang kami nito kasi nakakabili ako nito international lang. Or hindi ko sure kung meron to sa Philippines. Sobrang sarap nito. Hanita. And then, this one kasi nagustuhan ni Kuya Mav, KitKat na matcha. And then, this one. Favorite namin parehas ni Kuya Mav.
Matmat. It's a smart.
And si Matmat, favorite etong laro eh. So, mag-empake na kami because today is our last day. Tomorrow ay uwi na! Yay!